I bought this house as my first big kid house after getting my job as a doctor, and I wanted a pool, and I really hated that first summer where I would have to like walk through my house to get to the bathroom. There were no bathrooms close by the backyard, so the floor was always wet. So I called and asked if you could maybe turn a closet that was in my garage into a bathroom so that me and my friends didn't have to wander through my house. And I mean, you made it super easy. You came out, took a look, and we're like, yeah, I can do that. I really kind of just gave them an idea of what I was looking for. They came and did all of the work. I didn't even have to be here most of the time. As I've slowly found other things that I want done, I keep coming back to them because they just make it so much easier for me. Racks in my garage or paint rooms in a building. Like if it's a small job, real quick and easy, I can call them up and they'll come out in a day or two and have whatever that project is done. 2 years later, I happened to notice after one of the big storms that one of the pieces of siding on my chimney had fallen off. And he came out, I think the next day, and took a look at it and said, yeah, we can definitely just reinstall that. He's like, but I also, happen to notice these other things, and, we can do these other things where we fix all of the siding on your home because, as the storms have been coming through, this wood's paint's chipping off, the wood's getting wet and soggy. And so one of the things when I bought this house, the shutters out front, one of them was missing a piece, and I thought, oh, that's not a big deal. I can fix that myself. Let me tell you, I wasn't going to. And I hadn't done it. So while we were walking around and looking at all the siding that needed to be fixed, I was like, hey, do you think you could also fix and paint the shutters that are already on here? He's like, yeah, that's easy. We can add that on. And I came home one day during the middle of them doing it, and they had custom made brand new ones. I recommend them all the time. Hey, I know these people, they do construction at my house. If you ever need anything for your residential stuff, call them, they're great. All the time when the neighborhood asks for people to do small projects or bathroom remodels and stuff like that, I'm always recommending Jason and Dean Construction because I think they're great, easy to work with, and get things done well and in a quick, timely manner.